Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 40, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using home screen as an example for this. So for me, home screen is already open and visible. Just make sure that the home screen or whatever you're capturing, in your case, is visible on the screen. Once it is, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens and delete options, and after a moment this will just disappear. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application by going into the library section, and here you will find a screenshot album in which you will find, well, obviously strictly screenshots and nothing else. And here is the one that I have just captured. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.